Graph supplies decorative tanks in more than 50 shapes and colors as a more attractive alternative to the classic water butt. Compared with the classic water butt, these decorative tanks provide a large storage volume in a small space. The ground should be as level and stable as possible for tank installation. A downpipe filter is used to connect to the downpipe. The tank features a hole to fit the inlet seal. The downpipe filter cleans the water and prevents it from overflowing when the tank is full. The sealed tank prevents the water from being contaminated or becoming a breeding ground for flies. In winter, a ring on the housing allows the inlet to seal the system. This instantly prevents the water tank from freezing. A brass cock is screwed into the tank's threaded connection to remove the water. The Graph Antique Amphora also has a plant cup for that individual touch. The geotextile provided is inserted before planting to prevent soil from the plant cup contaminating the precious rainwater. There's no need to hide a decorative Graph tank away behind the garage. It becomes a focal point while also saving precious drinking water. Your decorative tank is now perfectly installed and connected. We hope you enjoy your new Graph rainwater storage tank.